Pitman Shorthand New Era, exercise number 14. So far, we have had a fair share of luck, full stop. We do a thorough repair job at our shop, full stop. We can fetch your car and leave it at your door, full stop. We rang the bell, but nobody came to the door, full stop. A year ago, Jim O'Dare bought the ranch belonging to the Perry family, full stop. The large ridge at Red Gap was rich in ore, full stop. It will be easy to make an error and take the wrong road, full stop. We fear we shall have to borrow money if we are to carry on at the factory, full stop. We should add enough money to the fee we give him to pay for the fair, full stop. The jury may think the youth should get money for the injury, full stop. We have thanked him for the money we had to borrow, full stop. They may thank the judge, whose talk was put on the air, for the change in factory law, full stop.